One unexpected expense can destroy your finance overnight, but one simple money habit can protect you. It's called an emergency fund. Your phone suddenly breaks, your car needs a costly repair, or you lose your job unexpectedly. Most people handle these situations by using credit cards or taking loans, which often leads to debt. But there is a smarter way to stay financially safe. It's called an emergency fund. An emergency fund is money you set aside specifically for unexpected expenses. Think of it as your personal financial safety net. Financial experts usually recommend saving 3 to 6 months of living expenses. So, if your monthly expenses are $1,000, your emergency fund should be around $3,000 to $6,000. But don't worry if that sounds big. You can start small. Even saving 10 or $20 every week can slowly build a strong emergency fund over time. The key is consistency. Also, keep this money in a separate savings account so you are not tempted to spend it on everyday purchases. And remember, this money is only for real emergencies, not shopping, gadgets, or vacations. Building an emergency fund may sound simple, but it's one of the most powerful financial habits you can have because when life surprises you financially, your emergency fund will already be there, ready to protect you.